Hi everyone. Today I want to share my experience with Humata AI, a super handy AI tool for document analysis and info retrieval. It's been pretty cool being one of every 10 users checking out this tool. So let's dive in. Okay, I'll just begin with the awesome feature of Humata, that is its ability to analyze documents from 80 different languages. Yeah, you heard me right. It's 80 different languages. This is a lifesaver when dealing with international clients and users. But you can only ask questions in English right now. It'd be even better if we could use other languages too for asking questions to begin with. And if the tool could give the summary in the respective language, as of now, it's only responding in English. So, like if you give it a scenario, if you give it if you give it a document, no matter in what language that is, let's say in Arabic, if you give it a document in Arabic, it's going to give you a summary in English for that document, which is great for users around the world. But if somebody is from the native languages, they might not really like it. All right, I actually love how Humara highlights answers and gives you the exact page number. This per session saves me so much time. I can literally just jump straight into the info I need without any hassle or without having to roam through the whole document all over again, because all I need to do is literally just click on whatever page number Humara is suggesting and I have my answer right there. Okay, moving ahead, let's talk about summaries. Humara does a good job, like very good job, but they are pretty short. What I've observed as to whatever analysis I've run or whatever document I have run through it, you only actually get the summary of around 70 to 80 words maximum. They're great for quick reads, to be honest, but sometimes I need more details. I want more information in the summary. If they could make these summaries longer, that'd be awesome, because sometimes trying to be shorter and precise skips out on the essence and important information of the document, and to be honest, I would not want it in my document. All right, so moving ahead, one thing that I really wish they can add is in-app editing feature, because right now I have to copy answers and edit them in another document, which can be a bit of hassle, which is actually a bit of hassle, I won't lie. Having an editing option right in the app would be a game changer. Humata handles PDF, doc, PPT, PPTX files really well. But to my surprise, it doesn't support Excel files as of yet. If they could add that, it would be super, super helpful for analyzing data in spreadsheets. However, it does read out the data correctly. The Excel file is converted into PDF, but come on, we want more. We want Excel there, right? All right, when extracting information from Humata, you have to ask multiple questions to get all the info that you need. I mean, it does suggest a few things, or you do get two or three suggestions in the along with your summary. But mostly you have to ask about certain information and whatever info you need. So it'd be great if Humara could skim through documents and give me all the info without needing so many questions. I understand that there is always room for more questions, but at least it should give me information that is important, that I don't have to go through a pile of questions to do so. It should be smart enough to give me the information all in different questions itself. Now, let's talk about the pricing. Humara has a free tier for basic use, which is great for trying it out because you want to explore the tool and all. It's a perfect match for you. For more advanced features and higher limits, they've got paid plans. The pricing is pretty reasonable considering what you get, but definitely you should check it out if it meets your needs, or do you really need a paid account before diving into it. Oh, and advanced plans come with chat support, which can be super helpful if you run into any issues any time of the day. Overall, Humata is a solid tool with core features like precise highlighting, multilingual analysis, and accurate page referencing. However, there are a few areas for improvement, like longer summaries, if needed, of course, in-app editing, multilingual queries, and Excel support. But it has really boosted my document analysis game, and I'd really stand by it. It's definitely worth a try, and I would give it a solid 3.9 out of 5 for sure. So if you want to explore, you may also go ahead and do so. As of now, I would say check out Humata and experience the future of document analysis yourself. Let me know in the comments below if you have at any given point used Humata and what are your views about it. One thing I would definitely say is that asking is actually better than skimming. Of course, you don't want to go through a pile of document. It's always better to just ask a bot about whatever query that you have. Of course, I would definitely go by that. Alright, so before I end, tell me which tool do you want me to review next? Till then, keep exploring.